Hi friends, welcome back to Career Spotlight. Friends, there are huge openings in Delhi subordinate services under the National Capital Region Territory Government. It is a golden opportunity for trained graduate teachers, teaching assistants and other clerical positions. Mode of application is purely online and the last date of application is 24th June 2021. Let's have a look at the highlights of openings. Under the Directorate of Education, there are 551 female trained graduate Hindi teacher vacancies and 556 male teacher vacancies. Basic qualification is BA in Modern Indian Languages and teaching degree or diploma. CTET and Hindi knowledge is essential. Pay scale is 9,300 to 34,800. Grade pay is 4,600 under the Group B non-gazetted category. Maximum permissible age limit is 32 years for this particular vacancy. Again, 1040 male teachers and 824 female teacher vacancies are there in Natural Science category. Basic qualification is bachelor's degree in Natural Science or equivalent. Teaching degree also CTET. Working knowledge of Hindi is desirable. Salary and age limit are same as previous one. Let's move on to the next category, that is mathematics. In mathematics category, female teacher vacancies are 1167 and male teacher vacancies are 988. Qualifications and other requirements are almost same as previous ones. Moving on, in social science subject, around 662 female teachers and 469 male teacher vacancies are reported. Basic qualification is bachelor's in natural science, social science or equivalent with teaching degree or diploma. Rest of the qualifications and requirements are same as previous ones. One vacancy of Bengali language is also reported with almost same requirements. Moving on, the Directorate has also notified assistant teacher vacancies in primary and nursery categories. In primary, around 434 vacancies are reported. Basic qualification is senior secondary or equivalent and 2-year diploma in elementary education. CTET is also essential. Pay scale is same as previous ones, but pay grade is 4,200. Age limit is below 30 years. In nursery category, 74 vacancies are reported with same qualification. Delhi Municipal Council is also looking for assistant teacher primary level with vacancies around 120 in number. Details are given in the slide itself. Please have a look. Municipal Corporation of Delhi is having a vacancy of 278 junior secretariat assistant alias lower division clerk. Matriculation is the basic qualification. Pay scale is 5,200 to 20,200 with a grade pay of 1,900. This is a Group C non-gazetted post and age limit is 27 years. The Department of Women and Children is having a vacancy of 50 counselors. Basic qualification is bachelor's degree in psychology with postgraduate diploma in counseling psychology. Pay scale is 9,300 to 34,800. Grade pay is 4,200. This is a Group B non-gazetted post. Age limit is below 30 years. Also, there are 12 vacancies of head clerk and 10 vacancies of patwari in Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board. Detailed notifications are available in the Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board website. The link is provided in the description box. You can directly go to the website from there. You can apply for all these positions via this website. Online application link, that is the direct link, is also provided in the description box. Please make sure that you have applied before 24th June 2021. Wishing you all the best. Keep watching and subscribe the channel for more updates in government sector job openings. Thank you and good luck.